Welcome to a new era in luxury yachting. For over 70 years, Cruisers Yachts has been synonymous with master craftsmanship and innovative design. Today, we unveil the pinnacle of this legacy, the all-new 57 Fly. This yacht redefines the yachting experience, blending our rich heritage with cutting-edge advancements. With panoramic Flybridge views, seamless indoor-outdoor living, and unparalleled accommodations for both adventure and relaxation, the 57 Fly is more than a yacht. It's the future of luxury on the water.